Hello, and welcome to the MedTech Leaders Community landing page. I am Ted Newell, the host of MedTech Leaders, and I'm also the host of the Medical Device Success podcast and videocast. Let me tell you about the theme that we're following for November and part of December. It is demand generation, which includes marketing automation. This is important because in this pandemic-restricted environment that we are all working in, MedTech companies can no longer afford to rely completely on their salesforce, distribution system, trade shows, and other traditional activities to gain prospects and leads with which to fill the sales funnel. The sales teams need some marketing muscle, and demand generation works. So in this series of subject matter expert interviews and live events that will take place over the next several weeks, we will start to understand how it works and why it is so effective. And it's more economical than many people believe. You can learn a little bit more about what we have on deck for demand generation below, and you can also see what we've covered in Going Virtual, which was our most recent theme. Keep in mind that when you join the MedTech Leaders community, you get a 30-day free trial, which gives you access not only to the events coming up, but also the events that we've held in the past that are recorded and posted on the website. And then when you do make your first full monthly payment, that first monthly payment, or at least the equivalent of that monthly payment, will be contributed to a COVID-related charity. Learn more below, and I hope to see you in the community.